Welcome back to Tech Communicate, your daily source for the latest and greatest in the tech world. It's March 8th, 2026, and we've got a packed lineup of stories for you. Grab your coffee, and let's dive right in. First up, a major shakeup at OpenAI. Caitlin Kalinowski, the company's head of hardware, has officially resigned. This move is sending ripples through the industry, as it purportedly stems from growing internal concerns over the company's collaboration on Pentagon-linked projects. We're talking about AI systems potentially used for advanced surveillance and even autonomous weapons. Kalinowski's departure highlights the deep ethical debates happening inside one of the world's leading AI labs. What does this mean for the future of AI in defense? It's a story we'll be watching closely. Next, a serious cybersecurity alert from across the pond. Transport for London, or TfL, has just confirmed that a past cyberattack may have exposed the personal data of over 10 million users. That's a massive number of people whose information, including travel history and payment details, could be at risk. This incident is a stark reminder of how vulnerable our public infrastructure can be and has reignited urgent calls for stronger cybersecurity measures across all essential services. If you've used London's transport system, it might be a good time to check your accounts and update your passwords. Now for some exciting news in the world of web design. Wix, the popular website builder, has just launched an incredible new feature called Wix Harmony. This isn't just another template tool. It's a full-fledged AI system powered by ChatGPT that can automatically build a complete, professional-looking website with very little input from the user. You just provide some basic information and prompts, and Harmony takes care of the rest, from layout and design to content generation. This could completely change the game for small businesses and creators who want a stunning online presence without the steep learning curve. Gamers, listen up. We've got a juicy tidbit about the next Xbox. Leaks from within. Microsoft suggests the next-generation console is being developed under the internal codename Project Helix, while details are still under wraps. The name Helix itself is fueling speculation. It suggests something intertwined, a double helix DNA structure, perhaps pointing to a major reboot of the entire Xbox ecosystem. Could this mean a deeper integration of hardware, software, and cloud gaming? The rumor mill is buzzing, and we can't wait to see what Project Helix evolves into. Let's talk about accessibility in tech. A new initiative is gaining serious momentum, with a very ambitious goal, creating an ultra-low-cost, $40 smartphone. Several tech companies are joining forces to make this a reality, aiming to connect billions of people who are currently priced out of the digital world. The vision is to provide essential smartphone capabilities for communication, education, and finance to developing regions. However, significant manufacturing and supply chain challenges remain. Can they hit that magic $40 price point without sacrificing too much quality? It's a noble goal with a long road ahead. As AI continues to advance at a breakneck pace, a growing chorus of experts is calling for caution. Top AI researchers and ethicists are now publicly urging governments worldwide to collaborate on a global AI roadmap. The proposal focuses on three key pillars: safety, regulation, and long-term governance. The idea is to create international standards to prevent misuse, ensure AI systems are aligned with human values, and establish a framework for managing superintelligent AI in the future. It's a proactive step to make sure we're guiding AI's development responsibly. In a more controversial AI story, a private company that operates detention facilities is reportedly exploring the use of what's being called AI-driven man camps or labor camps. The concept involves using AI to manage and oversee labor within these facilities, a proposal that has immediately sparked widespread condemnation and ethical outrage. Critics are raising serious human rights concerns, warning that such a system could lead to exploitation and dehumanization. This story is a chilling example of the potential dark side of AI and highlights the urgent need for the kind of regulation we just talked about. Moving on to a popular writing tool, Grammarly is facing some heat. Its new expert review feature, which promises a human touch to polish your writing, is now under fire. Allegations are surfacing that the reviews are not being conducted by real human experts as advertised, but rather by advanced AI or less qualified gig workers. Users are questioning the transparency and branding of the service, feeling misled by the expert label. Grammarly has yet to issue a full response. But this controversy raises important questions about authenticity in AI-assisted services. In the world of fintech, it hasn't been a great week for Robinhood. The company's new startup investment fund, designed to give retail investors access to private companies, had a very weak debut on the New York Stock Exchange. The stock stumbled right out of the gate, failing to attract the expected level of investor enthusiasm. This lackluster performance is raising questions about overall investor confidence in the current market, especially for more speculative and high-risk investment vehicles like this one. And finally, we end with some electrifying news in battery technology. Sodium-ion batteries are rapidly gaining momentum as a viable alternative to the lithium-ion batteries that power almost everything today. Why the excitement? Sodium is far more abundant and cheaper than lithium, making these new batteries a more cost-effective and sustainable option. They're also considered safer, with a lower risk of fire. Major manufacturers are now scaling up production, and we could soon see sodium-ion batteries powering everything from electric vehicles to large-scale energy grids, potentially revolutionizing our green energy future. And that's a wrap for today's top tech updates for March 8, 2026. This is Tech Communicate, bringing you fast and reliable tech news every single day. If you found this useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.